Hey Xhorse fans! Today I'll guide you to calibrate Dolphin XP-008 mini mechanical key cutting machine step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Install the calibration plate. Turn off the machine's power. Loosen the clamp. Take the calibration rod out and stick it into the spindle pinhole. Loosen the lock screw with a wrench. Remove the cutter and install the calibration plate and the lock screw. Step 2. Lateral adjustment of macro adjust base. To start with, make sure the main and auxiliary clamps stay inside A and both locked. Rotate the hand wheel till the calibration plate touches the rightmost position of the auxiliary clamp. Then slightly loosen the fixing screw of the sliding base and use nully wrench to slowly adjust the left adjusting screw until the key cutting guide touches the rightmost position of the auxiliary clamp as well. Tighten the fixing screw after the adjustment. Step 3. Vertical adjustment of macro adjust base. Stick the calibration rod into the clamps and tighten the clamp. Make the rod stick close to the key cutting guide and the plate simultaneously. You can adjust the knob of the macro adjust base to make sure that there is no resilience between the key cutting guide and the rod. Step 4. Height adjustment of the macro adjust base. Height adjustment is usually finished before the machine leaves the factory. Rotate the handle to adjust the angle of the rotation table to ensure that the key cutting guide and the plate contact the rod simultaneously during the rotation. The calibration of Dolphin XP-008 has been completed. Let us know if you have any questions. See you in our next video.